Facing the error, an error occurred in ChatGPT? Don't worry, we will help you with the solution. Solution 1. Change the browser. The main solution is to use a different browser. If you are using Google Chrome, simply open ChatGPT on Firefox. Now, the problem should be fixed for most users. Solution 2. Open ChatGPT in incognito mode. Other than changing the browser, you could open ChatGPT using the incognito mode. Since the incognito mode does not save logs, it is similar to opening a separate browser. So, please click on the menu button on Chrome at the top right corner of the browser. Select New Incognito window from the menu. Open ChatGPT in the incognito window. It will work. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.